Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Audrey. Welcome. Today I'm so excited to bring you 5 new products from Makeup by Mario's new line. So let's just get started. So I got the Master Mattes palette. It's so pretty. The Master Crystal Reflector in Quartz. The Master Secret Glow in Expensive. The Master Eye Prep and Set in Medium. The Master Mattes Liquid Liner in Super Black. Alright, so we're going to start with the Master Eye Prep and Set in Medium. I'm going to go in with a lighter shade because I am a bit lighter. I'm losing my summer tan. I am going to use my Morphe M173. I wanted to buy his brushes, but you know, today is the 1st. You know what that means? That means that rent is due today, and it's Thursday, which that also means that payday is not till tomorrow. So, alright, so I'm just going to dip into that lighter color. Oh, it actually has a name. It is called P4. Actually kind of pretty. I really like the consistency of it. It feels really good on my skin. Yes, and it did give me coverage. You see the difference? It's really giving me a good base for my eyeshadow. Love that. So I'm going to take my Morphe M330 and I'm going to set my eyelid with that powder, which is named S2. So you can already tell the difference between the one with the prep and set and the one with nothing. It looks a lot more clean over here. And prepped for my eyeshadow. Let's just dip right into Master Mattes. So I'm just gonna start off light and use Matte 2 here. And I'm gonna use this fluffy brush. I'm just gonna put it right there in the crease. It's a very, very light color, very faint on my skin tone, which I'm here for. I like to start light and then build. It's a really pretty color. Barely see it. So I like that, so I can blend all the way up to the brow without it looking too harsh. Blended really nicely. Okay, so far so good. So next I'm going to go in with this matte 1 color, a little bit deeper. I'm going to place it in the same area, maybe a little bit on the outer corner, and then I'm going to blend up and out and over. So I keep having to blow it off. There is a little bit of fallout within the pan, but nothing on my skin at all. There's no fallout at all. So that's good. So I'm going to switch to my M433 Morphe crease brush. I'm going to deepen my crease up a little bit. I am going to go in with Matte 6 here. By the way, I don't know if I already said this, but the names of the colors are Matte 1 through 12. Okay, we're going to put that right in the crease. Focus most on the outer and then sweep to the inner. I'll put some down here in the outer corner as well. Yeah, his brushes look really, really nice. I really want them. So maybe I'll get some more product. I feel like even this could just be like, you're done. Like 3 shadows and you're done. I'm going to take my Morphe M124 flat brush. I'm going to take Matte 2 here and I'm just going to tap it on. They blend really well together. I really like this. So I'm going to stick with the browns today and I'm going to dip into Matte 11. The color is a wee bit harder to blend out, but I feel like that's what dark matte colors tend to do, so maybe his brush would better combat this. So I'm gonna put Matte 6 under my lash line here to warm up my under eye. Honestly, there has been 0 fallout, so that is so nice. And a little bit right here to blend it a little bit better. Now I'm going to take the Master Mattes Liquid Eyeliner in Super Black. In the past, I never really used pins because none of them were really sharp enough for me. But this one's really nice, except for I made it a little too thick on the end, so I'm gonna fix that. Use your error. Do you know how sometimes when you clean up your liner on the edge, the black will just smear up? It didn't happen that time. I actually really like this eyeliner. It's super duper easy to use. It's super black and it's drying almost all the way matte. I'm really here for this eyeliner. Really like it. Oh, and by the way, these are Batty Bee lashes in the style Saucy. I am super excited though for Mario to come out with some lashes. Alright, so I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, so I actually really love this eyeliner. I guess like the only thing left to find out is if it dries out or not. So I guess we'll find out in the coming weeks. This is supposed to go all over your eyelid. So let's just give it a little pop in the inner corner. So this is so pretty on your finger. So hopefully it looks the same on the eye. I'm gonna take the Morphe M124 flat brush. Tap it right there. Okay. Well, the glitter in this, I feel like is very spread out, very far apart. So you can tell that it's like a glitter instead of like a sparkle, if that makes sense. I guess I would say I'm not absolutely in love with it on my inner corner. It's probably a lot prettier all over the lid, but this on my skin, I think I got maybe the wrong color because this reminds me a little bit of like a Christmas situation. So I don't know how I feel about this one, but I'm definitely going to use this in another video. I'll do like a whole eye look with just this on the eyelid so we can see its true form, because right now it just looks like a glitter. It gives a little bit of pop, but like on your finger I feel like it's very, very like pigmented. So it'll probably look really good all over the eye, but I guess we'll save that for the next video. So last but definitely not least is the Master Secret Glow and Expensive. I'm just gonna get in there. Okay, so I'm gonna tap it on my face and the high points of my face. It is sticky. My skin's coming up with it. Hopefully it'll dry down. Oh, stop. I actually really, I actually really like it. I'm gonna take my finger to just, my clean finger, and just blend it in. Wow, that's actually really like naturally pretty. Like you can't see like a stripe of highlighter, you know what I mean? It's just translucent, but like beautiful. Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh. I saw him put it on the model's lip. Definitely not super glossy, but it gives you a little something. Imagine having this like in your purse. It's super small and you have no makeup on and you want a little something something, you know, because you're about to see someone you haven't seen in a long time or something. You just dab it on your high points of your face and your lips, and you're like, she's expensive. She has good skincare. She gets facials, you know? Like, it's super pretty. I'm definitely obsessed with this, and I cannot wait to wear it on like a no makeup day. I think it'll look so pretty. I wonder why he didn't do a mascara in his eye collection. Because I'm living for this highlight, like stop. Alright you guys, so now time for my review. You guys already know that I am in love with the Master Mattes liquid liner. Absolutely so easy to use, so black. It dried pretty, almost all the way matte, very firm and user-friendly, so love that. So I actually really did enjoy the Master Eye Prep and Set in medium. I think it looks really nice on the lid to use rather than just your concealer. However, you could just use your concealer and translucent powder. And I love how everything is kind of small and can fit in like your bag. So you could literally use this without any eyeshadow. Like if you just need a little pick-me-up, gives you a little bit of life, color corrects your eyelids a little bit. I actually really do like this. I didn't think I was gonna like it as much as I did, so kind of pleasantly surprised with the Master Eye Prep and Set. So the Master Crystal Reflector, I want to give it another chance. I'm not going to give it a no for sure because I only used it in my inner corners. It looks really pretty when you swatch it on your finger, so I'm hoping that it'll look really pretty as you build it on your eyelid. So my next video will probably be a look using this because it is so pretty when you swatch it on your fingers. So I'm sure that it's really pretty when you do swatch it on your eyelid. So I'll give it another chance, okay? The Master Secret Glow. I'm actually kind of obsessed. Like, it's so pretty. Oh, it's actually kind of sticking to my hair a little bit. My hair is kind of sticking to it because it is still a little bit wet. I don't know if it dries all the way down. I guess we'll find out. It's been a couple minutes, so. But it is so pretty, and I think it'll look so gorgeous on no makeup days, even for those girls who just don't like wearing makeup at all. This is so natural. Like, it has no pigment. It's just like, he's right, like glass skin. So this with no makeup on, sign me up. Okay, the Master Mattes Palette. I would say that these blended together really well, except for the darkest color was a little bit hard to blend. That might be a user error because I'm not using his brush, I don't know, but I really like all the colors. I think this is a really, really good palette to have if you are a makeup artist, because there are so many transition shades that will fit for so many different skin colors. I think this is really nice to have if you like to kind of just have like a basic eye look. You can use one color, you can use two colors to have a full look, I swear. This is very classic, you know what I mean? If somebody doesn't have lots of makeup, this is like a good present for them. So yes, I would recommend this. The only thing that I was a little bit iffy about was the Master Reflector. I just think I didn't give it its full shot. So we'll do that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. Alright you guys, if you like this Makeup by Mario review, please give this video a huge thumbs up so that I know to do more of them on his products. Thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing to my channel. I appreciate every single one of you, and I will see you guys next time.